This is where your motherboard stops being the cheap part you tolerate and becomes the part that makes the whole PC feel easier to live with. In this range, you usually have three options. The first is a micro ATX B550 board with Wi-Fi built in. This is the choice that fits most users. You get wireless, you get a modern AM4 platform, you get enough storage for a normal gaming library, and you don't have to buy extra add-in cards just to connect to the internet. The second is a clean ATX B550 board. Nothing runs faster just because it's ATX, but ATX can be the better experience if you want more space, more slots, and a full-size board in a mid-tower. If you're adding capture cards, extra PCIe devices, or you just want the build to feel less cramped, ATX is the comfort pick. And the third option is the trap, premium-leaning B550 boards with wild pricing swings. These boards can be excellent, but the moment a board costs more than an actual CPU upgrade, it stops making sense for a budget build. That's how you waste the 5500, overspending on the platform instead of improving performance where it matters. So all things considered, the best overall choice for the average Ryzen 5 5500 user is the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. It checks the boxes that matter day to day: built-in Wi-Fi, a solid B550 base, and flash BIOS support, so you can update the BIOS without needing to borrow another CPU. That's the difference between a smooth build day and a frustrating one. The trade-offs are simple. It's micro ATX, so if you care about maximum expansion room or the look of a full ATX board, you may prefer an ATX alternative. And it's not a luxury board, so don't expect every premium extra. What you get is the stuff you actually use, which is exactly the point with a Ryzen 5 5500. Now, if you want full ATX spacing in a mid-tower and you don't need Wi-Fi built-in, MSI B550A Pro is the sensible ATX alternative. It's the clean and simple full-size move. If you're building Mini-ITX and you need a compact board that still feels legit, Gigabyte B550i AORUS Pro AX is a realistic option. Just expect ITX to cost more because availability is tighter. If you're staring at a listing like Gigabyte B550 AORUS Elite V2 at a high inflated price, the board isn't the issue, the value is. That money usually makes more sense as a GPU upgrade, more SSD storage, or better cooling and airflow.